Lila, you want to talk about the garden?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take a look at the garden. Another update for you guys. The plants are doing terrific. They're tearing it up. We had to transplant some of the tomatoes. All of the tomatoes got transplanted into bigger cups. And some of the cucumbers did. And continuing growth. The soil we used was dollar store soil, so I don't think it was that great. And I'm seeing some yellowing, and that's making me a little nervous, but we'll keep monitoring that. And everything else is tearing up. I mean, look at these peas. And the peppers are coming in just great. Borage is tearing it up as well. We got more stuff started in here. We got some flowers. And then I got Brussels sprouts. I've never done Brussels sprouts, and those are coming in now as well. Shouldn't be long and we can move these puppies out to the greenhouse here yonder. So stick around, stay tuned, and this has been an update.